Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block outgoing calls on iPhone. So, let's dive right in. While it might seem straightforward, iPhones don't have a built-in feature to directly block all outgoing calls. Here are a couple of alternative approaches. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the familiar gray gear icon on your home screen. Tap on Screen Time. This section allows you to set restrictions on app usage, content, and privacy. Enable screen time if it's not already activated. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Look for the Cellular Data or Wi-Fi section. Depending on your preference, you can restrict outgoing calls made over cellular data or Wi-Fi. Tap on Cellular Data Calls or Wi-Fi. Calls it depends on your choice. Choose Don't allow to block all outgoing calls made with a selected connection, cellular data or Wi-Fi. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.